A television screen, an envelope, or a canvas are all examples of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is one word, but you can see that this part is colored red and this part is colored blue. Quadri basically means four and lateral means sides. If you observe, all these things have four sides. This is an example of a quadrilateral. To name the quadrilateral, we give names to these 4 points. We call them A, B, C and D. These things that we just named are called vertices, and a quadrilateral will always have 4 vertices. Each point is called the vertex, and as we've already seen, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, and the sides are called AB, BC, CD and DA. So remember, every quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices. There's another important property of quadrilaterals. Consider this table. The surface of this table is flat. It's a plane surface. If I draw a quadrilateral on a table, it will look something like this. If you look at the quadrilateral closely, you can see that all the vertices and sides of the quadrilateral lie on one plane. So a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices and is a closed figure lying on one plane. Observe that a vertex is formed when 2 sides meet at a point. And what is formed between those sides is called an angle. This is an angle. A quadrilateral is also defined by its angles. It has 4 angles. Apart from the one we marked, this one, and this one. These are the 4 angles formed in a quadrilateral. But how do we name the angles? How can we name this green angle? Well, we can call it angle A. We just named the angle based on the vertex at which it is formed. But a better way to name it is to call it angle DAB, or you can also call it angle BAD. In these 2 cases, we named it based on the sides. Similarly, this angle can be called angle ABC. This one can be called angle BCD and this one angle CDA. And here's the last basic concept you need to know. In this quadrilateral, vertices A and C are opposite to each other, and vertices B and D are opposite to each other. The lines joining the opposite vertices are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. So these 2 lines are called the diagonals. In this figure, we can say that AC and BD are the diagonals. What are its practical applications? When you watch this video on a 17-inch laptop, what do you think is 17 inches? It's the length of the diagonal. Even when you watch your favorite TV series on a 51-inch TV, it's the diagonal that is 51 inches. So remember, a quadrilateral is a closed figure on one plane which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles.